Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little bit. In this video I'm just going to be doing a quick review of some titanium wheel nuts that I've got, so stay tuned. Alright folks, it's been a little while since I've actually uploaded any videos. There has been lots of work happening in the background. I've just not really had a chance to record everything because things have been happening at like an hour at a time here or there. But I'm getting back into the swing of things, and after this video I'm going to record an update video of everything I've been doing. So stay tuned for that one. But right now I was looking for some new wheel nuts for the 380 RS. I reached out to Chris at Tarmac Sportz to see if he had any, and he said he had some new ones coming in, some titanium ones, if I'd like to wait. And so I waited and they've arrived today, so let's have a wee look at them. So here we are. They all came well packaged in their usual bubble wrap Tarmac Sportz logos. I'm not quite sure, but there's little titanium kind of dust caps for their valves. Whether they usually come with them, I don't know, if it's just a little extra. So here they are here, and they are super light. I'll show you the weights of them shortly if there's any geeks out there. But yeah, really nice. You can get them, these are titanium with a burnt kind of colour on them. You can get them just total silver, I suppose. And I just wanted these ones to match the titanium exhaust that's on the RS. So yeah, I'll show you, take them over here just now, and we'll show you them on the scales. See if we can load this up. Can you see it in the camera? I think we're at 0 to. Find a better bit for it to sit on. 0. So we've got 5 standard 350Z nuts, 321 grams. And we'll stick 5 of these on it. $321 and $130. So you do the maths, that's not quite a third. Is that a third? Definitely at least half, more than half lighter. You can do the maths. I'm alright with a calculator. So yeah, we're just going to take these outside, stick them on the RS, see how they look. And yeah, I don't know if I'll put these wee valves on, I'll see what's on. I think I've just got black ones just now, so yeah, take them outside. So yeah, I'm not going to lie, this is now beginning of June and she's been off the road since November or something, and just to try and keep her clean basically. So yeah, you can see I've got the used titanium exhaust under there. So we'll just take these wheel nuts off and put the other ones on. These are quite deep lugs in there, so you probably want to see the head of them. There we go, easy as that. Good quality product, straight on, no fuss. And in these particular wheels you can see that the depth, they're quite far in just due to the wheel. So you don't see the full silver to the purple, you see the edges of the purple, but match the exhaust, that's what I was looking for. If you want a set yourself, just hit up Tarmac Sportz, I'll try and leave a link in the description for you. And if you stay tuned, I promise there's an update coming with the build, the big build. I've managed to do some carbon fibre body parts, and I'm just moving on to the roof just now. So after this video I'm going to tidy up inside and start the next one. So thanks very much for watching guys, stay tuned.